What's up, guys? This is your boy AT. You know the name of the game. Today, we're going to talk about swing trading. As a matter of fact, I'm about to become your sensei master Cobra Kai style on swing trading. Okay. Now, my personal strategy on swing trading follows four simple rules. Okay. This is very simple strategy, but nevertheless, it does require some little work. But if you apply to these four rules, you should be successful. Okay. Rule number one, no rat companies. Okay. I'm serious about this. Make sure you pick strong companies. Actually, they're going to be in the stock market for a very long time. Stay away from the rats. Okay. The rats are for the weak. Okay. You got to earn the right to play with the rats, and you're not ready. You're still too weak. Okay. Is that understood? Yes, sensei. Rule number two, pick volatile companies. So not only the company got to be a strong company, it has to be a volatile company. My rule of thumb, it has to move 10% up and down in a short period of time. I'll leave it up to you to determine that short period of time, but it could be like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month. It doesn't matter, but you want to make sure that there is a low and there is a high on this company, and that volatility has to be happening in a very short period of time. Do not pick flat companies, okay? Flat companies is for losers, and you're not a loser, right? Yes, sensei! Rule number three, know the behavior of this company, okay? You got to understand its every move, okay? The up and downs and the period of times that this company actually moves. So you got to become a stalker, okay? You got to do whatever it takes to win. We show no mercy here in the game Cobra Kai style. Is that right? Yes, sensei! Rule number four, have a game plan, okay? We got to know ahead of time an entry point and an exit point, okay? We want to make sure we do not leave our opponent the ability to strike back, okay? Is that understood? Yes, sensei! So if you follow these four rules, you should be able to minimize your risk. So now let me give you an example right now. So one of the companies that I know very well, and I know its behavior very well, is Wynn Resort. Okay, so Wynn Resort, before the pandemic, we're talking about February 19, it was $136. And on March 18, which is when the market crashed, it went all the way down to $43. Excellent price. But obviously, nobody could anticipate that this was going to happen. My first swing trading with Wynn was actually right here. As I started to monitor the company, I realized there was a good entry point right here at $78. And then I was rewarded on this entry point when the stock went all the way up to 108. Okay, I didn't sell at 108. I actually sold at 103, but you can gotta get an idea of what it's like to like entry low and then sell high. Then once again, I took advantage of this low right here, which I had numerous entry points, right? Because it's hard to anticipate the actual bottom. But it was $69 actually right here, and then it went all the way up to $86. Okay, then you have another low right here, which is $70, and then it went up all the way to $88. Now the reason why I'm talking about Wing in particular is because right now it's $84 as of right now today, September 10th. But yesterday it was actually $80. So it's starting to flirt right now with the bottom. As you know, there has been a market correction. So it's very possible that Wynn is going to once again be one of those stocks that is going to flirt with that $70 low. The lowest that I've seen Wynn go down to is 67. So here's my strategy, but you do your own research and see kind of like whether or not this will work for you. My entry point is going to be $75. I don't know how low Wynn is going to go, okay? So I'm going to take advantage of 75, and then I'm going to buy as a lower if it even gets there. If it doesn't get there, then I'm going to stay disciplined and I'm going to stay away from it. So I need to see 75 and below in order to actually enter into the swing trade, okay? My exit point is $85. So I'm going to buy a 75 and lower, and I'm going to gradually buy at the lowest point, as low as it takes me, and then I'm going to sell at 85, 90, 95, and I will exit the same way gradually. If I see the Wynn is going way up like a rocket, then I'll still stay disciplined, and I'll get out of 85 some of my position, and I'll continue to sell my position as it continues to go up. But eventually, my goal is just to get out of 85. Anyway, this is your boy AT. This is the name of the game. Go ahead and follow us, guys. You know, we're going to be putting some videos, especially now. It's getting very attractive to buy stocks at this particular moment with the market correction. But also, make sure to check out Cal Code Wear, okay? It's going to be the sponsor for this video. Thank you. And then we'll see you next time, okay? Happy trading, guys.